Creating the arm controls. First, we're gonna go and create the CV curve, and then holding down X, we're gonna snap to grid. Hit enter when done. Go to modify, center pivot. We can now hide the character. And by the way, if you still need to set up your layers so that it can hide your character, all you need to do is gonna be to right click on top of the layer, then go empty layer. Then you will go on your outliner, you're gonna add all the geometry of your character, and then you're gonna right click and you're gonna do add selected objects. And that's how you can actually get this going. Back to this, we're gonna select snap to points, click and drag somewhere around here. Click this off when done. And we're gonna go ahead, go to rotate on Z, and we're gonna rotate this about -45 degrees. Press F8, and now we can reshape our curve so that it fits better the hand. We'll grab these ones, maybe move them down. Once you're happy with your shape, go ahead and freeze transformations. Let's now mirror this shape across by Control D to duplicate, then Control G to group that, then scale -1. Finally, ungroup. And lastly, freeze transformations. Now, let's rename both of these anim_L arm 01, Control C to copy that. Select the other curve on the other side, Control V to paste, and change the L for an R. Now, open up your outliner and place both of these controls into the control group. Let's go ahead now and clean up the channels. Let's remove scale and visibility for both of these. For the last step, we're gonna go ahead and have both of these actually control something. First, select the control for the left hand, and we're gonna control select the IK for the left hand. And we're gonna apply a point constraint. Let's repeat the same step for the other hand. Select the controller, control select the proper IK, hit G to repeat the last function. Select the controller one more time, and we're gonna select the hand joint bind. There it is. So again, select the controller, control select the bind L hand joint, and let's apply an orient constraint. Repeat the same process to the other side. Now go ahead and test it. Good job.